This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Timothy Toye. Lakefront brand new stylish remodel with fabulous lakeside outdoor living including covered area for comfort in all weather, dock, 2 garages, built-in workshop, and a family room that works as either a separate living area or a small guest apartment. Fully fenced and just a parcel away from public launch facility. Beach area and gorgeous views of the wide expanse of Clear Lake and Mount Konocti. Prepared to be impressed with many thoughtful design choices such as Italian ceramic tile floors and bathrooms, high-end laminate floors in the living areas, butcher block countertops, vaulted ceilings, open fire and everything on one level with no steps. The layout and finish of the home creates a delightful flow from the indoors opening easefully onto the special outdoor lake environment that promises an enjoyable and full lifestyle with excellent potential for entertaining friends and family.